Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can log out of your account on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to log out your Instagram account, it's actually so easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, next, I want you to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, you will then be able to see the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, which is the settings, so just go and tap it. And once you're on settings, just scroll down to the very bottom and then you will now be able to see the logout option. Just tap it to log out your account. And then Instagram will ask you for confirmation. If you really want to log out your account, just tap the logout button to confirm it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Instagram account will now be logged out. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.